I replaced my entire marketing team with an AI agent. No agency, no content team, no social media manager, just me and a system I built. And the reason this works and why it's not just another AI gimmick is because every single algorithm changed. Paid, organic, it doesn't matter. The game has shifted for every business owner, whether we're spending 15 bucks a day on ads, 100 or 1,000 bucks a day on ads. This applies across the board. Most business owners haven't caught up to what actually changed yet. Well, I did, built something around it, and that's what this video is about. I want to show exactly what I built and why it's generating results. But first, I need to explain what actually changed with the algorithms, because if we don't understand that part, then the rest of this won't make any sense. And honestly, this is what I'm seeing most business owners missing and leaving money on the table with right now. So for a long time, algorithms were audience-based. We told the platform who we wanted to reach, demographics, interests, behaviors, and it went and found those people. The content was almost secondary. We just needed something decent pointed at the right audience, but that's not how it works anymore. And what shifted across every platform, paid and organic, is that the algorithm stopped caring as much about who we're targeting and started caring almost entirely about what we're putting out there, so that it can target them. Essentially, the creative has become the targeting, which means if we make one piece of content trying to appeal to everyone, the algorithm has absolutely no idea who to show it to anymore. We're speaking to the average of all our customers, which is a person who doesn't exist, then we're gonna be speaking to nobody at all. Think of it like this. Every business, we have multiple types of customers. They don't look the same. They don't care about the same things. They don't respond to the same messaging. And what wins now is content built for each one of those specific customer types separately. So one piece for this person, one piece for that person. The algorithm takes each one and figures out who responds and gets more of those kinds of people. That's the game now. Paid or organic, the mechanism is the same. The biggest difference is paying to show up on their feed versus getting it through making good content. So now here's the problem that creates for our businesses and why I had to build something to deal with it. So if the creative is the targeting and we've got multiple customer profiles and each piece of content is fatiguing faster because it's specific rather than broad, that means we need to produce way more content than before, and it actually has to be good and valuable. This era we're entering is known as the QUALUME era. Quality, volume. Not just a lot of content, but good content, a lot of it for different audiences constantly. Now that's a real problem when we're trying to run a business without a full creative team, or don't want to hire an agency. Personally, I'm not hiring an agency. I'm not building out a content department. I need to be generating leads, booking clients, and staying top of mind across every platform while also running the actual business. It's not a strategy problem. It's a systems problem now. And systems problems don't get solved by just working harder. So here's what I actually built. All right, what did I actually build? Well, this is it. So this is the app, and it's pretty simple. There's every feature that I need to make content and marketing materials is inside of this app. Image generation, posting to the platforms. I can do it all manually, right? So I have this image gallery here where AI has generated me images using AI image generation. But the AI agent has done all the prompting for this. So I'll get to that in a second. But there's different kinds of posts. You have the carousel. So like the 7 mindset shifts that change everything, right? Something like that, and then it goes into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a call to action slide, and it'll post all of those. And then there's also a lot of these single images. So all of this is being done by our AI agent here. You can see there's just tons of chats that have triggered and lots of automation jobs that are currently running. 6 runs, last run 44 minutes ago, whatever, things like that, right? So posts are happening constantly throughout the day on autopilot. How did I go about this? Well, like I said, I built everything I needed to build manually. Well, to explain that better maybe is I can go in here, I can click an image, I can write the caption, and I can choose what platforms to post to, right? I can publish now, and it all works by me typing everything out, clicking the buttons. That's what I mean by manually, all right? Then, once I had that built out, tested it, it's working, everything's great, I take the GG framework and I integrated that AI agent framework into this project and turned all of the features, image generation, posting, managing offers, using prompts, using brand kits, using reusable characters, managing ads. I forgot to even mention that. Managing ads, stealing ads. I turned it all into a different tool that our AI agent can use, right? So what does that look like? Well, I could say, I need help coming up with the rest of our content plan so that we can get to 50 posts a day. So give me an analysis. Where are we at? How do we get to where I want to go? And come up with a plan that targets our different avatar types of founders that are struggling to scale their ads, of media buyers, of agency owners, of CMOs. You know, we have all our different avatars that could use our service located at. And then what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to put the link to the website, to my website. So I can just go boom, 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 real quick, type that in. And once I put the link in, what's going to happen is the AI agent does have the ability to web search and pull web pages and things like that. So it's going to get the offer directly from it. So I don't have to even put the offer in the app or keep reminding it what the offer is. So I can send that out, and you'll see in a moment the AI agent's going to come up with a plan to do absolutely everything on my behalf. So boom, it's reading the page, the web page that I sent it, the batch video ads page. It's going to check, all right, here's the analysis. Boom, look at that. So threads, we're getting, you know, a bunch of posts a day because those are short little tweet type posts. And then the other posts, you know, look at weekday total 38, probably averaging 40 to 45. The 50 gap is real but tight. You know, mostly general marketing. So it's identifying the gaps in our marketing. It's telling us what we're missing. No results in social proof. No industry news jack. No contrarian listicles. Quota take. Okay, well, the quota errors I fixed, that was old from May 6th or something when I was still building and testing everything. But now it's been running for 5+ days with no errors. So 5 or so days, I'd say 4 or 5 days. I lose track of time easily. All right, so look, it gives me a plan here, and then I could say, I could tell it to execute on it. I could tell it to change. I could tell it I hate this, do that. But we'll just tell it. It says, add 2 more quick hit slots. Want me to start building these 7 new automations. All right, so let's look at the plan, and then maybe I'll just tell it, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, build those 7 automations for me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have a lot of automations going right now, but it's about to build more so that I can show you for the video, right? I don't know how long this is going to take, so maybe I'll be back when it's done, but we'll see. It shouldn't take too long, to be honest with you, because it can batch them in parallel, I believe. Well, I don't believe. I know it can. Should do it in parallel if it's not tripping, but we'll see what happens. What are we using? We're using ZAI. Oh, yeah, I added different models in here so I can use the GLM coding plan. Yeah, so there it goes. It's already done 3 of them. First 3 built. Now let me batch the other 4. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. So you can see it's working just amazing. Oh, well, yeah, the camera's been fine so far, right, folks? I'm hoping this will finish up quick so that I can move on to the next. It's finished. How many of them? All 7 of them, it looks like. It's about to spit me out the, yep, there it is. There's our result. Boom. 7 new automations are live, plus 15 new posts a day. Shit. Might have to now go through and trim the fat. But let's move on to the next feature. All right, so the next feature I'm going to go over is the swipe ads, and this is pretty self-explanatory. We can swipe some winning ads. So here I am on Meta Ad Library. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom back in, just so you can tell where I'm at. But I'm going to take this ad, I guess, right here. I don't Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to click the three dots up top and say copy, add link. Now, if I open my Media Master app again and I paste the link in here, what it's going to do is extract it for us. Let's readjust the camera. Boom, boom, bam. So now you can see here we have the dog ad that we want to take. Maybe we'll take this one too, because they've just been running this for forever. And we'll just do the one for now. We'll import to gallery. Oh, you can't see the button. So basically I click the ad, and then down here there's a little button at the bottom. Oh geez. Import to gallery right here. So then if I go back to my image gallery, you'll see there's that picture with the cute doggo. So I can recreate, and that put it down here, or I can send it to the chat like this. Or I could even pick the image from the image library when I'm already in the chat and attach it that way. Or I could attach another image file and say replace it like this, okay? And so then let me do a new chat. I could say swap this out with some different branding for ABC123 HVAC Co. Just as a demo. And then, I forgot to even show you, I can switch the model. So I can use Kimmy, I have Mimo, I could add more. You get what I'm saying, right? I could add any AI model I want, and it would just plug and play right into the system. Claude, Codex, Gemini, Grok, Minimax. Do I keep going? No, I don't keep going. So same layout concept, dog plus AC unit plus logo lockup, but with the new branding, right? So you can see I didn't do like anything. I was super lazy with this. Here it goes. It says, here's your, let's see what it looked like. Oh, look at that. Better quality. Like, come on. Look at this is what they paid somebody to do, or maybe they didn't. And this is where we're at now. Like the only thing I'd say we're missing is I might tell it, add the beat the heat with the new HVAC or whatever type thing, right? Maybe we should add that. And they have like this little proof thing on here, like Bryant Dealer of the Year. So maybe, if you have some proof, I'd tell it add that, and then boom, second generation. But you can see the quality of this is like, holy cow, man. Holy moly. So yeah, that's swipe ads. Basically replaced my entire marketing. Never going to need a marketing team. Because I can just let this go all day, plus the video ads. If you see my other video, you'll see the batch video. Anyways, crazy what I did. Let's wrap this video up. All right, so this isn't really an AI story. The AI is just the mechanism, the tool. The actual shift is that the marketing changed, right? Every platform is rewarding businesses that are producing quality content at volume for specific customers, and then just letting the algorithm handle the distribution. The businesses that get that are acquiring customers for a fraction of what everyone else is paying. The ones still making the broad content pieces and just hoping it works are wondering why their cost per lead keeps climbing. I just built something that plays the new game without needing a team to do it. If you're interested in having a system like this set up for your business, there's a link below where you can do that. Otherwise, my name's Nolan. Thanks for watching. Comment below. What's the biggest thing that you would want to automate in your business for marketing, sales, any kind of process? Let me know. I'm curious. And leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you later. Peace.